How to create Canva templates for Instagram. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to use Canva and use it to create different types of templates that you could use to upload and even put into your stories in Instagram. Now, as you know, Instagram is a great platform where a lot of people are using it to promote different types of things. There are different types of users, from content creators to even shops selling in Instagram. And having a template can be very useful and very important for these people because they will be able to easily create amazing and good designs by just simply using the template. Now, there are two types of posts in Instagram. Well, actually, there's multiple types, but the main ones are Reels, Stories, and simple posts like this one. So we could easily create a post by going to our profile, clicking on create, and then I could easily upload a photo over here. And a lot of people lack the creativity to create very decent styles. Like, for example, I'm not saying this is bad, but people would just have a simple photo like this one, or maybe this one. These are good, yes, but we could make it better. So first things first, go to Canva. Creating a Canva account is very simple. If you're watching this video, I assume that you already have an account in Canva and you're ready to go. Now in Canva, there's a lot of different types of projects that you could initiate and start a creation on. For example, over here, there's already sections over here that will tell you what you can do with Canva. You have documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, and websites over here. As you can notice, social media is over here, and there is a specific section for Instagram. And there we go. You have Instagram Square, Instagram Story, Instagram Ad, Instagram Reels, animated Instagram posts, and Instagram Story Ad. So there's a lot of different templates that you could use. Now, let's demonstrate how you will be able to create a very simple but really great templates with the main one, such as the Square or the post and Instagram Story. The other ones, you can easily apply the different things that we will do to them. But anyway, over here, this is our Square, and this is our Reel over here. The Story is for when you add a story, and the Square is for these types of photos over here, like this one, as you can see. So over here, you have your very simple Square over here. In Canva, you have this section over here called Elements, and Elements is the most important feature of Canva in my opinion. When you scroll down, you will be able to see here charts, tables, and frames. There's also grids over here. And we will be using frames over here. There's a lot of different types of frames that you could use, but let's stick with the basic one for now. Simply click and drag it and put it over here. Now the frame will serve as the placeholder for images. So if you have images, this is where it will be placed. So over here, you could easily create a very simple collage or group of photos. Something like this. Very simple and very easy to perform. Just like that. And then you could easily upload photos over here. So for example, let's search for cars. Click on photo. Then let's drag it. You can easily do this with your own photos. If you upload it, you will be available over here in the upload section, where you will be able to easily upload your photo just like that. And as you can see here, you would notice that this photo is cropped. Now, to be able to fix this, simply double click it. And there we go. A crop section will appear. Simply drag it down and click on done. So the main character or the element would still be present on your frame. Now, let's say this is like the template that we want. This is a very simple template. Go to Elements, and you could search for different designs as well. There's a lot of examples over here. If you scroll down once again, there will be a lot of collections over here that is really great for designing your outputs over here. So let's look for a very decent one for now. And let's see what we could apply to our output over here. So for example, I guess I could go with this one for now. So what I'm doing is I'm going to turn the background to black, just like this. And now we could upload this type of effects over here to our section. So let me delete that Let's drag it. Just click it. There we go. Make it smaller, put it below here. You could either make it in front of the photo, or you could just have it wherever you want it to be placed. Something like that. There's a lot of combinations that you guys could pull off here. There's a lot of effects that you will be able to use. This is just an example of the many available designs in Canva. I'm just using this one based out of the collection that we saw, but there we go. As you can see, you could also search individually. Search card again, and there will be some graphics over here that you guys could use. Let's go with something minimalistic design over here. You could use these ones as well. These are all things that are really great designs as well. There we go. For example, we could set it up as white, and let's add more designs over here. Set it as white as well. Canva is very powerful, but your creativity will be the most powerful asset that you have. So you can easily create very amazing designs with very minimalistic outputs or designs. But with your creativity, you will be able to make it really good. So let's finish this up. There we go. Let's fix slipping it. There we go. Just like that. So I could make this one bigger, and I could actually put this one to the back. There we go. This one bigger as well. Then let's put it to the back as well. So something like this. As you can see, very simple design, very decent, minimalistic design. So what makes this a template? What makes this a template is that you could easily delete the photo existing already, and you could easily use it for any types of designs or other different types of photos. So for example, the photos that we have earlier, you have already downloaded from the share over here and download. You could easily add a new set of photos. So for example, I have a new set of models over here, new set of designs that I want to be highlighted. Let's see here, models. And you could change around, play around with the different sections, and you will be able to use them just like this, just like that. So for example, you want to change the layout of the photos, you can easily do that by doing this, simply dragging and doing that. You can all make them overlap as well if you want. So forward, there we go. There are a lot of things that you will be easily able to do, and doing that is very simple. The process in the story is very similar as well, similarly with this one, where you could use different types of elements. You could even directly open or put in a photo itself, just like that, for example. And then you could add some elements over here, like effects. There's also animated effects over here that you guys could use. For example, there's animations over here. But this one, let's go put it, there we go. You could apply it to the entire page. Let's put the position to the back. Let's change the color of this to black. There you go. And you can create simple designs like this one. And there's also text over here that you guys could use. There's a lot of great effects over here that you could play around with. For example, this one, you can easily create good text or like good font combinations for your Instagram post. And simply click on our share and downloading here, or you can even share it directly to your Instagram just like this. You will be able to easily upload it and put it into your Instagram account. So that's basically it, guys. It all depends on your creativity and how you approach with this. There's a lot of things that you will be able to do. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.